Gigil na gigil ng maghain ang grupong Impeach Lenny Movement ng impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Lenny Robredo sa Kongreso kanina, pero hindi rin natuloy. Ang problema, wala silang makuhang kongresista na mag-e-endorso sa reklamo nila.
The intention was to file it in the Secretary General's office. However, we were instructed that we are to send it to a congressman's office because it is the congressman involved that who will forward it to the Secretary General's office.
Ayon kasi sa batas, ang impeachment complaint ay dapat ihain o i-endorso ng miyembro ng Kamara. Tatlo ang basihan ng impeachment complaint ng grupo laban kay Robredo: betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution at graft and corruption. Nag-ugat daw ito sa recorded message ni Robredo sa United Nations na anilay paninira sa reputasyon ng Pilipinas. Ang di umano'y paggamit ng pondo ng HUD-C para sa isang convention sa Amerika na wala raw kinalaman sa housing. At ang misdeclaration daw sa Statement of Assets, Liabilities and Net Worth niya kung saan hindi raw nailista ang shares sa Meralco. Ayon kay Rivera, marami naman daw gustong sumuporta sa reklamo nila. Pero
because the president is not supportive of this, that's why he does not want to make it so easy for us. We just want to let the world see that there is a democracy working in the Philippines.
Maya-maya umalma sa media si PBA Party List Representative Jericho Nograles. Nilapitan daw siya ng grupo sa kanyang opisina at hiningi ang kanyang pag-endorso sa impeachment complaint. Pero nagulat siya nang makita na nakalista na ang pangalan niya sa kopya ng reklamo.
I did not give you any authority to use my name. I don't know why you are presenting this to me. And I'd like you to leave my office because you are using my name without my consent. I have already informed the Office of the Secretary General that I have not endorsed any impeachment complaint against the Vice President.